it gave me a braid out, twist out situation that doesn't take me 2 to 3 business days. So I like that.
Get down. Yes, slip and slide records. Finna take it to the highs.
Okay, y'all. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wine today. Okay, it's not in the glass yet. Let me get it. I got this big old, I got this big joint today. Okay, it's the Sutter Home Peach Tea Wine Cocktail. Found this joint finally at Walmart. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Okay, let me see. I don't taste no tea. I mean, I taste wine. I mean, I guess I'll drink it, but you know. Ooh, wait a minute. Let me chase that real quick. It's been a little bit. Now, anyway, before we get into this pre-cut Kinky Straight natural install that is glueless, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Julia Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is another pre-cut unit, but it is a Kinky Straight unit. I know how I love my Kinky Straight, but the last couple ones been a little iffy. We're gonna try this one from Julia Hair today. Now, before I do this, I will be giving my unit a little whole bath. Okay, that means I'm using my dry shampoo and my water, but I do suggest you wash your unit. If you don't know how to wash your wigs, go ahead and check out my wash wig playlist, and you can see how to wash it with dish soap or actual wig shampoo. Okay, whatever floats your boat, do your thing. Okay, but cleanse your wig thoroughly. I just do my little quick wash in the videos just so I can go ahead and style these wigs up because I don't got time to be sitting here all day. I just don't. Just be mindful with Kinky Straight units. Once it gets hit with water and then blow dried, it will swell. So you will need to blow dry it and press it out how you want it to look on your head. All the products that I'm using are listed in my Amazon store under Wig Essentials, and the link to that is down below in the description box. I need to tint this lace. Nope, I don't need that. I need, where is it? I'm using my Mocha 360 powder. This is the Maybelline press powder. This is also in my Amazon store, but it is under makeup, but they do actually sell lace tint sprays. Uh-oh, I got just too much. Hold on. I will be using my Mousse for this glueless install. Hold up, flip. I would definitely say this is more big head associate than big head friendly based on the fit. It is pretty snug, and the way it wants to pull back on my head, that is giving me more big head associate than big head friendly. But it is a closure, so I'm not too worried about how it's gonna fit around my sides because obviously there's no lace over there. So as long as it's comfortable to wear for a couple hours, I should be fine. This is like, what is this, 24 inches or something? I definitely wouldn't use the combs on the side if you have a big head. Because of how this wig fits, if you use those combs and take this wig off, your edge is gonna come right along with it, okay? So yeah, be careful. For the hairline, it is pretty straight. It's pre-plucked a little bit. The edges are a little long. I'm gonna cut these little hairs a little bit shorter. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. That wasn't even on the hairline, that was on the hair, child. Swirl it around, even though again, the hair is straight. Strap this down. These pre-cut wigs take no time at all to install, so I like that. Now, like I've said in previous videos, I'll say it again in this one, Julia Hair makes fast fashion wigs. So they don't give you super high quality hair, they don't give you bleach knots or heavy pluck hairlines, but they do give you like a little starter pack. So the hair texture may be okay with a little bit of pre-plucking, but they focus mainly on the trends. I need to sleek this hair out a little bit because it's a little bit too poofy for me today. I'm gonna be very careful with this hair because I don't want to melt it. The density is actually pretty full. I am getting shedding with this wig as I'm brushing through it. I don't really mind the shedding because it can thin it up a little bit without me having to go in and cut it. So look for the positive. I'm gonna use my blow dry brush on high, and I'm gonna brush through the hair really quickly. I don't want it to sit on any areas of the hair because it will melt the hair and change it into a different texture. I don't want to do that. So now I'm gonna use my Tymo hot comb to press through the hair just a bit after I get this parting space nice and flat. This Tymo comb will melt a wig quickly, okay? So I don't want to do that today. I'm not pressing it out too much, just a little bit. Comb through this side, smooth it out with my paddle brush. I want to see if I can put a little bit of waves in this hair. I don't know if it'll work. Gonna try it out. Ooh, I think it's gonna be cute. We'll see. Just to do something different. I didn't want to wear it out straight today. This is actually taking no time at all. I'm doing like 5 sections on each side. Even though the hair is thick, it's still working. The longer you hold it, the more defined the wave will be. You know, personal preference or whatever. If the hair is too thick or you don't want to like hold it closed, there's an open and lock button right here. So you don't have to hold the clamp shut if you don't want to. For those of you who don't want to take the time to curl your hair, this may be a good option for you because it gives you a look other than, you know, straight. If you gotta wear a glove, wear that because this joint is hot, so you can hold it here, but it's still a little warm. So I wouldn't even worry about touching that. Just touch the hair and that's it. Daggone neck is sweating, child. I think this thing has definitely reached its full potential of hotness because I can hear the hair sizzling. So that is a strong indication that I don't gotta hold it as long as I did on this side because it'll crimp the hair or wave the hair a lot faster. Let me just hold it. Pin this back like so. So before I go any further, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we'll come back and work on this hairline, okay? Be right back. I did go back in and crimp this side just to make sure it was kind of even with this one. Now that I've done my whole head, definitely use the open lock feature on this. It's a lot easier to crimp the hair and I feel like it does a better job than you trying to hold it closed yourself because you're in a rush. So, you know, learn from me. Now it's time to get this hairline together. Take this off. Not bad, not bad, but what I want to do to mine first is bring this down in the back. I'm gonna take my contour shade right here and I'm gonna blend that lace in just a bit. It did slip back a little bit. I'm going to use a very small curler and I'm gonna put some curls in this hairline. I don't want it to be straight and I don't want it to be swoops. I'm using this curl 9 right here. I don't even know what size this is. I'm just gonna curl up this hair in the front. I have it on the lowest setting. You don't have a curler this small, but you do have like rods or something, you can definitely use that. I don't want to leave it on the hair too much because I don't want to burn the hair out. Now I'm going to take my edge brush and then I'm going to style the hair how I want it to sit. Let me take these clips off, brush the hair back like that. Hold on, let me see if my wig grip will hold this in place because it keeps slipping back, but I feel like it'll be too tight with the wig grip, but we're going to see. So it is fitting pretty comfortable with the wig grip under it. It's not as tight as I thought it was gonna be. I can't pull it down all the way over the wig grip without it pull it back on my hairline. So definitely wear it out like this or pin it back like this. For the parting space, I'm gonna use my Mocha 360 powder. Just to kind of open that up a little bit. I'm not gonna pull nothing out. Ooh, I think this came out cute, y'all. Okay. Listen. What do we think about the final look? I think we got her together. I think she's cute. I do not feel like you need this much hair in order to get this style. You can definitely keep it around 20 inches if this is too much hair for you, but it still came out really pretty and I have no issues for this wig whatsoever. So all the hair to the front is definitely gonna bring the heat. Okay, my neck is sweating, Lord have mercy. Remain hydrated. I do think the pre-cut wigs are here to stay. Like, I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. Again, it is not a high quality wig. I've said it numerous times in this video. Hopefully you stuck around so that you understand that. The wave iron that I used definitely made this really cute. It heightened the look a little bit. I didn't just come out with a straight wig. It gave me a braid out, twist out situation that doesn't take me 2 to 3 business days. So I like that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.